This week's story is called Splish Splash Animal Baths, and the focus is that it's a photo essay, which means that it uses mostly photographs and captions, which are the little words under the picture, and that tells us about the topic. So while we're reading, we're going to compare and contrast different animals, because we're going to learn about a lot of them. So remember, comparing means seeing how they're the same, and contrasting means how are they different. Splish Splash Animal Baths by April Pulley-Sayre. Splish, splash, take a bath, brush your teeth clean, and think of the animals. They clean themselves too. Squirt! An elephant sprays water over its back. Squirt! Baby will get a shower too. Pigs take their baths in thick brown mud. They soak, slog, snort, and seem to smile. Mud cools their skin, and best of all, it gets rid of itches as well. Birds take baths in puddles, or shower under sprinklers or waterfalls. Once clean, they preen, smoothing, fluffing, and straightening their feathers. That's like hairbrushing for you. Ducks do extra work. They spread oil on their feathers. This special oil waterproofs them. Without it, ducks would get soggy and cold, which wouldn't be ducky at all. Bears have long fur that gets itchy and full of insects. To scratch itches, a bear rubs against a tree. Bears also take dust baths. They roll in dirt, or they swim and splash in a wide, cool stream. Even the king of beasts can get beastly dirty. So lions do what house cats do. They lick their long fur clean. But even a lion's tongue can't reach the back of its head, so it licks a paw and rubs it over its head and ears. A comb might come in handy for cleaning a chimpanzee's fur, but chimps don't have combs, so fingers work fine. Chimps bite and pull bugs and leaves from their families' and friends' fur. What are good buddies for? Oxpeckers, a type of bird, spend their time hanging around. Where? On the bodies of giraffes. Giraffes don't seem to mind. Oxpeckers peck away ticks. They get a meal, and the giraffe gets clean. Hippos have helpers too, but these helpers are underwater, in the rivers and ponds where hippos wade. Fish nibble algae off a hippo's skin. Does it tickle the hippo? Only hippos know, and they won't say. Fish don't take baths. They live in water. But some do try to stay clean. Big fish wait in line, not for a car wash, but for a cleaner fish. Nibble, nibble, the cleaner fish bites tiny pests off the big fish's scales. The big fish gets clean. The cleaner fish gets a meal. Now that's an amazing deal. Nearby, A shrimp crawls into a moray eel's mouth. Will it become a shrimp's dinner? Not this time. It's a cleaner shrimp, an animal dentist. It picks and eats food off the moray's teeth. Instead of being a shrimp dinner, it's dinner time for this shrimp. Now that you've heard about animal baths and animal dentists and how animals splish, splash, peck, and preen, it's time to take your bath. Splish and splash, and think of the animals. They too are getting clean. The author has written more than 50 books, and most of them are about plants and animals. She loved spending hours with picking flowers and watching bugs and reading and writing. So that's why she did this story for us.